Alright, let's get this party started. It's 3:30 a.m. and I'm headed off, driving to the airport. So I stopped here, coincidentally enough, at Haman rest area and still have an hour to go. I guess I should have mentioned that it's a 2-hour drive from where I live to the Gimhae airport in Busan. Well, beautiful morning here, and I was trying my best to get here before 5:30, which I succeeded, but it turns out the shuttle bus from the parking lot to the airport doesn't actually start running until 5:50, so almost there. Killing time walking around waiting for my flight, and it's amazing how many Koreans are in the restaurants and cafes here eating like full meals at like 6 a.m. They're eating like full udon and manduguk and stuff like that. I can't imagine eating that at this time in the morning. So riding the train on the way to Tokyo, and the train has been stopped for over half an hour while there's apparently been some sort of accident.
1 hour later.
So it is a little bit of a jaunt to the hobby show. I stopped off at the room first and left some stuff there. And yeah, the hobby show is a little bit farther than I was expecting, but it's alright. It's good that I got my skateboard. If I didn't have my skateboard, I guess I would have to take a bus or a taxi there. I'm not really good at taking buses. I think I just don't have the patience for it, to like figure out the schedule and wait for buses and stuff. So I probably would have just had to end up taking a taxi or something. And taxis in Japan are very, very expensive, so good to get some exercise anyway. But yeah, Shizuoka, not really a lot here. If you weren't coming for the hobby show, there really isn't a whole lot to come here for, it looks like. I mean, I checked out online, there's like temples and stuff, of course, but same kind of stuff that you can find pretty much everywhere. In any city, from huge to medium, small cities all have temples. So. I wanted to try to maybe check one out tomorrow morning, like before getting to whatever we're going to get into tomorrow, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes tonight anyway. May opt for sleeping in a little bit in the morning. But when I'm here, especially for such a short time, really like to sleep as little as possible. Get up and get going in the morning, you know? So just got out of the show There's a crazy amount of stuff in just the one small area where I went to today, so definitely gonna have to come back tomorrow. But still haven't met up with Lincoln or Ryan and the Hobbyco guys, so gonna try to do that now. Trying to get in touch with them. I think they're around though anyway. What's with the announcements?
What?
What's with the announcements?
I don't know. But the timing on that one was...
Anyway, pretty tired here, just popping a squat outside Shizuoka station now, back here with Dom. Say hello. Hello! Trying to see if we can meet up with the other guys that are here, and having some trouble getting in touch with any of them.
We're lost in Shizuoka.
Well, that's all I really had to say. And now the best reason to come to Japan. Everyone who's ever been knows of the magic of Kokuichi. Let's do it. I managed to find
Something? Whatever.
managed to find
Literal hole in the wall.
Ryan and the Hobbyco guys. Yeah, in this hole in the wall restaurant over there. Now looking for a place to drink. Now that night has fallen on Shizuoka.
We're going to the safe side.
Yeah. Can I get a hell yeah?
What kind of alcohol are you looking for anyway?
All kinds of alcohol. All kinds.
Who are you for people who don't know?
Who I am? Are we live? We better
No.
not. Ryan from Hobbyco, Sydney, Australia.
Alright, no, you don't have to be serious anymore.
Okay, yeah.
Maybe. We'll see. Alright. Ready? Here we are with the GBA crew and Zach hanging out here in Shizuoka. Yeah! Hello girls, let's go. Yeah! Alright, so can I get a hell yeah?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Alright.
Heard it a lot of times. More often than usual. My friends pick it up for me. Yeah, I'm gonna use Chinese. Good enough. There we go. Ooh! What's it,
Perfect. How's the chicken?
All kinds of good. All kinds. Tell me why nothing but a mistake. Tell me why ain't one. I lost it.
Vegeta, what does your scouter say about his weeb levels?
All kinds of weebs. All kinds. Vegeta. Yeah. And am I everything you need? You better rock your body now, everybody. Yeah. Rock your body. Yeah. Everybody. Rock your body right. You're my wonderwall. All kinds of ice cream shot. Ice cream shot.
Well, Well, good morning, guys. It's about 9, no, it's about 10 o'clock, just after 10. Stopped at Don Quixote to get a new, phone battery charger. I forgot to bring mine, so I think I'm definitely going to need it today. Gonna certainly meet up with Lincoln today. And just today is the public day at the show, so it's gonna be pretty crazy. Apparently it's already totally packed and crazy, but no choice. It's already pretty hot. Skating there, but almost there, but I haven't eaten anything for breakfast. So I stopped off here. Number one, water. Gotta have that. Next, coffee jelly. Definitely need to get some coffee a little bit later, but in the meantime, coffee jelly. So good. A little bread. A little rice. You gotta mix it up. I'll tell you guys though, it was good to take a rest between all the madness that it's gonna be all these people today. And just like when you're traveling around Japan, or I guess anywhere really, but especially in Japan, when it's just kind of, if you're in the big cities, there's like hustle and bustle everywhere. If you get a chance to just like sit down outside where it's like not so busy with a nice cool breeze, it's really good to just kind of relax for a minute. So really needed that good little breakfast rest before today. And we'll probably have to maybe escape a little bit later to take another rest, but for now, it's time to get to work. So, see you guys a little later. Oh yeah, sorry. Alright, so I was in there taking pictures of all the kids and everything. Pretty sure past the time that we were supposed to leave. And then they were setting out like a big banquet. I guess it's for all like the shop guys and all the people displaying their kits there, everything. All the clubs and groups and everything. Huge. And now, super tired and ready to take off this heavy ass backpack, which is not too bad, but I've been wearing it all day. So heading back towards the station to meet back up with the guys, because they left earlier to go eat some dinner, some kokuichi. I want to eat some of that shit, so I might have to stop and get some to eat by myself first before meeting up with them, but I'm heading that way anyway, so see what we can come up with. Also need to stop by Surugaya. Apparently there's a Surugaya here. Well, there is. I went there yesterday, but stopped in yesterday and only saw like a handful of kits in their store window. The rest of it was like manga, DVD, CDs, games. But then later found out that actually they have more like hobby stuff, plamo and figures and stuff up on the second floor. So I'm gonna go check that out. See if I can find something cool for myself, and also want to find something cool for Adam. I actually got something cool for Adam. He was like store owner, Adam. Got something for him at the show. It's a small token of appreciation, but I want to try to find something else cool at Surugaya. Sorry, I didn't have it.
Ding, ding, ding. Thanks, Scott.
Okay, so we are here at BroFest 2K19 with ZakuAurelius and the Hobby Go team. Can I get a hell yeah? Hell yeah! Can I get a hell yeah? Hell yeah! Yeah! Woo! Cheers, guys. Cheers.
Okay, fair enough. Too far.
Zach, you're a fucking champion. We own this shit. I'm just a random guy leaning in. Can I get a hell yeah? Hell yeah. Can I get a hell yeah? Hell yeah. Jeez. All kinds of snoozing.
It's that you're awesome.
So that's it for this trip. Early Sunday morning, heading back to Korea, and it's a really quick one. In and out, just a couple of days. Not a whole lot of sleep, but a lot of fun. The show was pretty impressive. I gotta say, like, just seeing all the modelers' work and everything was a lot more interesting than like all the new stuff that's coming out. But all that stuff is really cool to see first, as well. There's a lot of really cool, impressive stuff from the companies. Like, kind of weird with this poster behind me, but I don't know if this one's any better. Anyway, but yeah, good trip and awesome to meet Lincoln and Ryan, Hobby Co guys, and so good trip. A huge thank you to USA Gundam Store, Adam at USA Gundam Store, who agreed to support this trip. It's awesome, so show them some love. And I'm just pretty tired, so I'll probably need to just wrap up the video for now. But anyway, thanks guys for watching, and maybe we'll see you again in Shizuoka again in the future, possibly. Anyway, till then.